Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best vegan chocolate is probably one of the most exciting developments in the world of sweets. Gone are the days when vegan meant sacrificing flavor. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of plant-based chocolate, exploring the best options available, and uncovering what makes each bar a winner. Get ready to discover your new favorite treat, all while enjoying a guilt-free indulgence. Number 5. HU Kitchen Organic Dark Chocolate Gems, 9 ounces. Introducing the newest addition to our vegan chocolate line. This product is free from dairy, palm oil, emulsifiers, soy lecithin, gluten, refined sugar, cane sugar and sugar alcohols. It's made for humans. This product is made with organic cacao, unrefined organic coconut sugar, and organic fair trade cocoa butter. It's that simple. You can taste the quality in every bite. Meet the new chocolate chip on the block. This product features a cool hexagonal shape. It has a rich cocoa flavor with subtle caramel notes, perfect for both snacking and baking. This product says no to weird ingredients. It contains no dairy, no GMOs, no emulsifiers, no lecithins, no gluten, no refined sugar, no cane sugar, and no sugar alcohols. We apply these exacting standards in everything we do. The goal is to live actively and flourish. This product is made with high quality, real food that tastes delicious. It's about getting back to the simple things. What we like. This chocolate uses simple, high-quality ingredients, ensuring a delicious and pure taste. It's also perfect for both snacking and baking, offering versatility in the kitchen. If you're looking for a vegan chocolate that's free from dairy, gluten, and refined sugar, this is a great choice. What people say. Tastes good and coconut and dark chocolate are on my diet plan. Nice indulgence. My family has a lot of allergies and whey chocolate has minimal ingredients that also taste amazing. The gems are great for snacking, melting, and baking. These seriously are fantastic. We use them for snacking because they are so tasty and easy to eat. Number 4. No Whey. Foods Milkless Chocolate Bars, 4-pack. Introducing the No Whey Foods Milkless Chocolate Bars. These delicious treats are perfect for everyone. It's vegan, gluten-free, and nut-free. Made with our famous milkless chocolate, it tastes incredibly creamy, just like milk chocolate, but it's 100% dairy-free. It's also soy-free and sesame-free. This allergy-friendly product is made in a dedicated facility. It's free from the common top 8 food allergens, so you can enjoy it without worry. These mouth-watering chocolates are vegan, allergy-friendly, and free from artificial colors and flavors. They are also kosher. You can feel confident and safe eating No Whey Foods products. They are dairy-free, peanut-free, nut-free, egg-free, soy-free, wheat-free, sesame-free, fish-free, shellfish-free, and gluten-free. Strictly made in our No Whey Foods dedicated gluten-free facility, ensuring the highest quality and safety for you. What we like. This chocolate offers a creamy, milk-like taste without any dairy. It's also made in a dedicated facility free from common allergens. If you have multiple food allergies or sensitivities, this chocolate is a safe and delicious option for you. What people say. The chocolate is rich and creamy. It has a delicious flavor. The texture is smooth. Number 3. No Whey Foods Milkless Chocolate Bars, 3-pack. Introducing the Milkless Chocolate Bars from No Whey Foods. These bars are a delicious treat that everyone can enjoy. It's vegan, gluten-free, and nut-free. Made with our famous milkless chocolate, it has an incredible creamy milk-like taste, but is 100% dairy-free. This product is also soy-free and sesame-free. This allergy-friendly product is made in a dedicated facility free from the common top 8 food allergens. You can feel confident and safe eating these. These mouth-watering chocolates are vegan, allergy-friendly, and free from artificial colors and flavors. They are also kosher. No Whey Foods products are dairy-free, peanut-free, nut-free, egg-free, soy-free, wheat-free, sesame-free, fish-free, shellfish-free, and gluten-free. They are strictly made in a dedicated gluten-free facility. What we like. This chocolate offers a creamy, milk-like taste without any dairy. It's also made in a dedicated facility free from common allergens. If you have multiple food allergies or sensitivities, this chocolate is a safe and delicious option for you. What people say. The vegan and gluten-free nature of these milkless chocolate bars is a standout feature. The rich and smooth texture of the chocolate bars is indistinguishable from traditional milk chocolate, offering a luxurious and indulgent taste that leaves me craving for more. They can be used in various recipes and desserts, adding a delectable chocolatey touch to homemade creations. Number 2. For snackers only peanut butter bites. These bites come with 8 individually wrapped pieces in each box, each at 100 calories. They are proudly made in the USA. The peanut butter Rice Crisps are topped with yummy chocolate and delicious caramel. They are also vegan-friendly, making them a treat everyone can enjoy. These bites have no high fructose corn syrup and no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. They're made from whole grain brown rice, so you can snack without the guilt. At only 100 calories each with 4 g of fat, 2 g of protein, and 15 g of carbohydrates, you don't have to feel guilty eating them. They are gluten-free, corn-free, and dairy-free too. These bites are certified kosher parve under the OK and the CRC. Enjoy these delicious treats with confidence, knowing they meet the highest standards. What we like. These peanut butter bites are individually wrapped, making them perfect for on-the-go snacking. Each piece is only 100 calories, making it a guilt-free treat. If you're looking for a convenient, portion-controlled, and delicious vegan snack, you should consider these. What people say. Very much like an O. Henry bar. I like that they are individually wrapped so they're easy to pack for lunches. Kind of like a peanut butter Rice Crisp pie treat with chocolate. Number 1. No Whey. Foods Gourmet Truffle Collection, 15 pieces. Introducing the signature Truffle collection from No Whey Foods. This collection features a variety of delicious flavors, perfect for anyone seeking a gourmet treat. The collection includes 5 mouth-watering flavors: milk fudge, raspberry, coffee, salted caramel, and Grand Marnier. Each truffle is crafted to provide an exceptional taste experience. This product is made in a dedicated facility free from the top 8 common food allergens. You can enjoy these treats with confidence, knowing they are safe and delicious. These chocolates are vegan, allergy-friendly, and free from artificial colors and flavors. They are also kosher, ensuring quality and ethical production. No Whey Foods products are dairy-free, peanut-free, nut-free, egg-free, soy-free, wheat-free, sesame-free, fish-free, shellfish-free, and gluten-free. It's made in a dedicated gluten-free facility. What we like. This collection offers a variety of gourmet truffle flavors, providing a luxurious experience. It's also allergy-friendly, made in a dedicated facility. If you are looking for a special vegan gift or want to indulge in a sophisticated treat, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The filling is smooth and creamy, the shells are pretty and well-tempered, and the flavors are unique without being overpowering. I tried one and I couldn't really tell it didn't have any of these allergies out of it. It tasted nearly like milk chocolate. All flavors are yummy, but especially like the fudge and caramel filled. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.